Finally, let's talk about finding the center with spatial analysis. First, we can find the centroid of a polygon. This is the mean of unweighted coordinates within the polygon area. Sometimes the true centroid falls outside the actual polygon. This often happens in places like Michigan, which has an upper peninsula, or places like Maryland, which have a weird shape. You can see this in the image on the right. If we want to find other ways of finding center, we can do things like find the mean or median center of points. This identifies the center of all the set of features. In the mean example, this just finds the center regardless of whether there's any points in that spot. In the image, we can see there's no points in that middle area. But this is the mean of all of those black points. In the median example, the result is one of the original features. This point needs to fall most closely to the center of all of the XY coordinates of all of the points in the set. This one happens to be where it is. Finally, we have weighted mean center. This is the spatial equivalent of a statistical mean and standard deviation. The center is a 2D equivalent of a mean, the weighted average of the X and Y coordinates represented by a point, but where we can add a spatial weight. In this example, we have the weighted mean center of the population of the US, meaning we have points with population, and each of those populations serves as a weight, which then allows us to see the center of the US population. We can see that over time, starting in our first census in 1790, all the way to 2010, that the US population has steadily moved from east towards the southwest over time.